Hi, just a short one today. I've got a mains powered smoke alarm here, which smells of burning. I've actually got two of these in the house. One of them, when connected up, it went bang and set on fire. And this one has a strong burning smell as well, although it does appear to work. So I decided to just replace both of them to be on the safe side. So this is an optical smoke alarm rather than the traditional type. And it's made by High Spec, made in China. Manufactured at 010122, so I guess that's October 2022. So yeah, we're going to take this apart and see what's inside. First things first. So you see the problem is the decorator that he couldn't figure out how to get it off the ceiling. Now I'll get the battery out of it. Now it's got a mains connector that plugs in there that's designed so that you can't open the battery compartments, get to the mains. So there are two plastic lugs there, as you can see. It snapped one of them off. There's some burning scorch marks in there as well. So to get the battery component out, you do that. We just got a big screwdriver and then went crunch. So it's rusted. So to get it apart, looks like there's just some clips here. Just one moment. There we go. Just need to bend these clips out. Comes out. Beeper. Not much to it. Yeah, I can smell it. Oh, something definitely gone in there. Right. Right, what tool is there? Battery backup connector. I guess that's the actual detector. No, I can see them by the magic spokes come out there, look. There's a PCB come out there. Yeah, whoops. Well, it's not going to go back into service anyway, so we'll just snap them off. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at that. That has gone bang. The other one actually, flame started coming out of it. That just went and it all melted, so I threw that straight in the bin. But this one, let's see what's gone here. So, bad mains connection there. Where's the magic smoke come from? Yeah. Yeah, it's burnt that PCB trace there. What trace is born off there? That's what's gone bang. And now this one I plugged it in, there were a pop. The other one, it just went up in smoke. But take the beeper off. Not right what to it, is there? Yeah, that PCB trace there has just completely blown away. Something shorted out in there. A couple of ICs here. Got to what they are though. That was scraping all this stuff off it. Oh, these alarms cost about a tenner for two, so the cheapest of the cheap Chinese junk. Now it's a bit ironic that you buy a smoke and fire alarm and it just catches fire. So the thing that's supposed to warn you if your house is spreading down in the middle of the night actually sets on fire and doesn't actually warn you that your house is on fire. Brilliant. Now let's see what these ICs are. Looks like a PIC microcontroller by the look of it. You can see the microchip logo. Okay, so to that. Bang appears to have gone from this sort of area. There's a big burn mark there where something's been getting very hot. It's a little voltage regulator, U2. It's a 7805. Right, well, yeah, that's that then. I guess the voltage regulator's gone bang. That one, or it's certainly getting hot enough to melt the plastic there. But I think most of the magic smokes come from this area. My guess is the decorator forced the connector in the wrong way around and blew it up. So that's your live and neutral. I think, is it? Yes, your live and neutral, and that's your connection that goes to the other smoke alarms, so they all go off at the same time. There's the live pin that's burnt. It goes down to that test point 9 there, down there, to this voltage regulator. In fact, there's actually a hole in that transistor there by the look of it. Well, that's a detector. Not much interesting in it, is there? Got you. Big screwdriver time. So, no. It's literally just a infrared LED in a detector. That's literally how it is. Infrared LED and photodiode. What happens is smoke gets into that chamber and it stops the light from getting to the detector, and it goes off. And it's as simple as that. Manufacturer there looks like Garvan V1.1. Yeah, not much to it really. Yeah, they all cost about a tenner. Cheap Chinese tat. But ironic that thing that's supposed to warn your house is on fire actually sets on fire. Yeah, it gets 10 out of 10 for that one on the shy-tometer scale. Brilliant. Oh yeah, yeah, that's that then. Thanks for watching.